Hello friends. Today in this video we are going to build a completely cool and modern UI that changes mood, emoji, and color with the click of a button. This project is perfect for beginners and you can use it in YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or portfolios, so watch the video until the end. First, we write the boilerplate HTML code. We link the CSS file under the header. A main card div is created under the body. This card contains an emoji, a heading, and a button. The button's onClick event calls a JavaScript function. And finally, the script, JS file is linked. First, the default margins and padding have been removed in CSS. The body has been centered using flex. Cards have been given rounded corners, shadows, and smooth transitions. A bounce animation has been used on emojis. And buttons have a zoom effect on hover. This makes the UI attractive and youth-friendly. In JavaScript, we created an array called moods, which stores the emoji, text, and color for each mood. The index variable tracks the mood. The index is incremented when a button is clicked, and the emoji, text, and background change dynamically. This concept is widely used in real projects. If you liked this project, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what UI you would like to create next. See you in the next video.